Congratulations on your purchase of Icon Tool Storage. This video will show you how to set up the Icon roller cabinet. Before you begin, please take the following safety precautions. Wear steel-toed shoes. Wear gloves with a non-slip grip. Wear eye protection. We recommend at least 2 people to safely unbox and assemble the roller cabinet. Once you remove the owner's manual from inside the cabinet, follow the additional safety precautions listed on page 1. You will need the following tools to properly set up your Icon roller cabinet: a drill driver and a 6mm hex key. The Icon roller cabinet will be delivered on a wood pallet, with the casters secured inside the pallet. There will be a plastic pouch at the front of the cabinet with a key. Remove the key from the plastic pouch and use it to unlock the cabinet. Inside the small drawer at the top right, you'll find the owner's manual and hardware. Remove them. Inside the bottom drawer, you'll find a wood ramp to be used to remove the cabinet from the pallet. Remove the ramp. You'll also find handles, hardware, and the power cord in the bottom drawer. Once you've removed all the items, close all the drawers and lock the cabinet. Place the wooden ramp at the end of the pallet. Attach the handles using a 6mm hex key. Using the drill driver, remove the screws from the wood block on either side of the casters. Set the wood to the side. Carefully roll the cabinet down the ramp. Once you wheel the cabinet into place, lock the casters. Connect the power cord to the roller cabinet. You are now ready to use your Icon roller cabinet or attach another Icon storage unit. For more information and to view assembly videos on other units in the Icon line of storage, please visit harborfreight.com/icon.